Understanding kayak race in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, kayak race. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Kayak race consists of two words, kayak and race. Let's look at them separately. 1. Kayak. A kayak is a small, slender boat that you sit in and propel forward using a double-bladed paddle. It's typically made of plastic, fiberglass, or even inflatable material. They are often used for recreational activities, such as sightseeing, fishing, and sometimes racing. 2. Race. A race, in general, means a competition between people, animals, vehicles, etc. to see which is the fastest in covering a set course or achieving a goal. When combined, kayak race refers to a competition where individuals or teams race against each other in kayaks to see who can complete a set course the fastest. Now that we understand the separate words, let's explore how the phrase can be used in sentences. 1. I participated in a kayak race last summer and won second place. 2. The annual kayak race will take place next month at the city's main river. 3. Have you ever watched a kayak race? It's exhilarating to see paddlers race to the finish line. Using the phrase in different contexts helps to reinforce its meaning and usage. There are other phrases and words that are related to kayak race. Let's learn a few. 1. Paddling competition. Another term that can be synonymous with kayak race, especially if it's focused on the act of paddling. 2. Kayak marathon. A longer distance kayak race, often taking hours to complete. 3. Sprint race. A short distance race. In kayaking, it might refer to a race of just a few hundred meters, requiring a burst of speed. Understanding these related terms can help you get a better grasp of activities and events related to kayaking. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what a kayak race is. It's a fun, competitive event that many enjoy, both as participants and spectators. Keep practicing your English, and remember to stay curious about new phrases and words. Until next time, happy learning!